Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 4 of hashtag Sharodiya series. I hope you all are enjoying the series till now. For today is Panchami, that is the 5th day of Durga Puja and Navratri, 5th day for Navratri. Without any further talking, let's get started with the video. For today, I will be showing you how you can get fuller lips using just 2 products. Other than that, I have some festival option lipsticks for you. So if you want to know everything, so please stick with me till the end of the video. I have kept my face completely bare because not everyone every time wears makeup and goes out during festivals. I understand everyone has their own choices and preferences. Other than that, just wearing lipstick and keeping your face bare can be on the days when we just prefer staying in our homes and getting up for some home rituals, for some pujas, etc. For today, I'll be talking a little in Bengali. So, whatever you can't understand, I'll try and put the subtitles of those. To start off with, I'll be using the Vaseline as a lip balm. You can use any lip balm which you have in your home. Just normal Vaseline or Borolene, if you prefer, will do the job. Moisturize my lips. Important point, as we moisturize our face, lips also need moisturization and hydration. So before you go for any lipstick, please don't skip on your lip balms or Vaselines. That will just dry out your lips and not make your lipstick last longer. After a couple of seconds of applying your lip balm, go on with your daily concealer. I am using the one which is from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. তোমরা যে কোনো কনসিলার ইউজ করতে পারো যেটা তোমাদের কাছে রয়েছে, বা যদি কনসিলার না থাকে ফাউন্ডেশন দিয়েও এই ট্রিকটা করতে পারো। So I'll be taking this concealer. I'll mention the products in the description box. Little bit of just, I'll take the concealer whatever is in the wand. I'll not apply anything with brush. I'll not use any tools. So I'll take this concealer, I'll put it in between the contours of my lips, like this part and this part. Like so. Then just using my finger, I'll dab the concealer in my lips. Once I feel that the concealer has dried up a little bit, you can drag the concealer till the corner of your lips as well. I just like the fuller effect on the middle part of my lips. Now, as I said earlier, you can also use your foundation to do this one. Concealer makes a highlighting effect, so I prefer to use a concealer. After a couple of seconds, when your concealer dries down, licking a lip liner. This one is from Makeup Revolution in the shade Soft Pink. A small tip I would like to give you, that always try to get a lip liner near to your lipstick, so it will blend with your lipstick well and not create any harsh lines on the boundaries of your lips. Now I'll start lining my lips. Follow the peripheries of your lips. See, I just carved out the natural shape of my lips. If you like to make your lips a little broad, then you can go a little above the peripheries of your lip. Now I'll fill the lip using the same lip liner. I know my lip looks very weird right now, but it will not be the same once I apply my lipstick. Now it has been a couple of seconds, my lip liner has set. Now I'll be using a lipstick to fill in my lip. Today I'll be using the Maybelline Creamy Mattes collection in the shade 691 Rich Ruby. Beautiful maroonish red shade. See, it's not extremely dark red, but has a hint of maroon brown undertone to it. Any skin tone can easily wear it. I don't think that there is any problem with skin tones and lipstick. You can wear anything you like. It's just the way you carry yourself. Now I'll start applying the lipstick and stop talking. I'll follow the lines of my lip liner. Can you see the amount of pigmentation it gives in just one swipe? These lipsticks are highly pigmented. So if you think you don't want this much pigmentation, you can swipe it across your hand and take it on your fingers and dab it on your lip. Now the last trick, the same concealer, whatever is left in the wand, don't take extra concealer because you can't blend it over here and it will just gather up on the lines of your around the lips. Taking whatever amount is left on the wand, I'll put it just underneath my lips here so that it makes my lip look a bit lifted. Taking the finger again, I'll blend the concealer in place. I'll not move it anywhere. Construction sound, oh my god. I have noticed one thing, whenever I start shooting, either the sun goes down, it becomes cloudy and gloomy, or there's some or the other horrendous noise coming in so that I can't shoot videos. It's a real disaster, I'm telling you. So I have removed, while blending the concealer, little bit of lipstick has removed from the lower lip area, little bit. So I'll take this one and just pat it on those areas. And I'm done with my lips. I hope you enjoyed this small tricky video. I hope you can understand the difference. I'll come closer to the camera. I hope you can understand the difference. It looks not extremely full, but a little more lifted than your natural lip liner, than your natural lipstick. This was a matte lipstick which I applied. Now, if you want to make your lipstick much more matte, you can take a tissue and dab the excess product out on the tissue to make your lips much more matte, or you can take some translucent powder, setting powder, or your daily talcum powder and dab it in the mid portions of your lip so that it sets and becomes completely dried matte. I really love this creamy matte formula, so I won't do anything. Another thing, if you are going outside, then please I request wear your mask and don't try to experiment with your lipstick by opening up the mask and showing it in the public. Please don't risk your life like that. Moving on to the second part of this video, I have 3 festive option lipsticks for you all. One lip liner I had, which I already showed. This lip liner will go with all sorts of pink and reds. Always buy a lip liner which is close to your lipstick shades. Like if you're going to apply this lip liner under your browns and nudes, then it will look extremely bad and it will mix up. Neither you will get the pigment of this one nor you will get the color of your nude or brown lipstick. It just looks very bad, so don't do that. It just looks very bad, so don't do that. Now the first option which I had is this one. This is the Rich Ruby, which I am already wearing on my lips. This is the color of the lipstick. The second lipstick which I have is also from Maybelline Creamy Mattes collection. It is in the shade 632 Hot Chili. This is a beautiful red shade. I'll quickly swatch it. I have taken out the full bullet outside. So this is how the hot chili looks like. I guess I have swatched it just beside each other. I have mixed the swatch. I'll swatch it here. This is hot chili and this is Rich Ruby. I hope you can differentiate the colors. This is a little light tone than this one. It has a brown bold undertone to this one, while this one has a very light and pinkish undertone. It looks beautiful with nude eyes. I've tried it in that way. And even if you go for bold, both this lipstick cost for rupees 299, but just yesterday when I was going through Nykaa's website, I found that these are now in the offer retailing for rupees 179 if I'm not wrong. So it's really a steal to get these. The last lipstick which I have is one of my most favorite lipstick in my lipstick collection in the red shade. This is from Lakme. This is in the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade 03 Red Revival. It is a bold and dark, passionate red sort of a lip color. I'll swatch it over here. Can you see the pigmentation? Just one swipe pigmentation, and the formula of the lipstick is so comfortable. I didn't even feel that I have lipstick on my lips, and once you apply it, it just sets. By that I mean it not goes anywhere. It will sit on your lip for so long. And other than that, this lipstick, this Lakme Forever Matte has a beautiful refreshing smell to it. I love smell of lipsticks. I just sniff around lipsticks. It is my habit. I don't remember the price of this one, but when I bought this was a new launch. Now I think on offer the prices has dropped down, so you can check it. I'll link everything in the description box so you can check out the links on the website and get something for yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. আমি আশা করছি যে তোমাদের সবার এই ভিডিওগুলো ভালো লাগছে, তোমরা দেখছো আর খুব এনজয় করছো, অনেকভাবে প্রিপেয়ার করছো নিজেদের মন থেকে, বাইরে বেরোচ্ছ না। ইউ অল আর স্টেইং সেফ অ্যাট ইয়োর হোম বিকজ ইটস ভেরি আনসেফ টু গো আউট অ্যান্ড বেরিও না। আর বাইরে বেরোলে প্লিজ so I messed up with the lipstick. বাইরে বেরোলে প্লিজ ক্যারি ইয়োর মাস্কস। I hope you all are enjoying your Panchami. তোমরা সবাই ভালোভাবে পঞ্চমী কাটাচ্ছ. Whatever sound you are getting is the sound of my buildings, surrounding buildings. Everyone is blowing conch shells and I guess there are various rituals going on in various houses, various customs, various diversified customs we all have. Yeah, so I'll end this video over here. I hope you all are liking this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the big fat thumbs up button and comment down below and let me know which lipstick you love the most, and was this trick helpful for you or not. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm also uploading content over there in this puja days. Share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell notification just beside it. It would mean a lot to me, and you will also stay notified every day when I upload new videos. I shall see you tomorrow with a new one. Until next time, lots of love. Bye.